Hi there, what's up? My name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video, we are going to print our product details using PHP MySQL with this product ID. So in the last video, as you can see, I created this beautiful product detail page UI using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and some custom CSS. So let's begin with this thing. So I'm just going back to my code editor. As you can see, I already assigned my get product ID into a product ID variable. Okay, after that I just need to run my MySQL query. So for these things, I just use my CRUD classes. As you can see in the includes folder and in the header.php, I already fetch this CRUD.php and I already make the object of this. Okay, so I just close this. Okay, after that I just create a variable fetch underscore product equals to, and then I type obj, and then I type the custom get. After that, first thing is the first thing is I need to define a product table name. I mean the table name. So my table name is products, and after that I need to define where product ID equals to $product ID. Okay, yeah, I just defining the double quotes. Yeah, okay. For checking these things, I just just print this into a printer tag. So I just echo in the printer function. So yes, okay, and I put the die. Now let's check into the on the browser. I just refresh this page. So as you can see, I got this my product ID, title, and all things. But as you can see at here, I detect this index zero, index zero, because we're fetching all the data into an indexing method. So I just define as a third parameter, which is my fetch only. I'm not using the fetch all command of the video. I'm just using the fetch, save, and refresh. So my indexing key is gone. Now we can easily access all the things using my associated array name. Okay, so I just comment this line for the now, and I just copy this fetch product and I put it at as the replace with this product title. So I'm just echo this product title at here, product underscore title. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, product title, and that's it. So I just save this page and refresh. So as you can see, I got the Samsung M34 5G because I clicked on this M34 5G. Now I'm going to click on this Samsung A15 5G. Okay. After that, description. So I'm just going back to my table and I click on this structure of this table. Okay. After that, I copy this short description for the now. I'm going back, and then I remove this demo production and I copy this line and I paste it over here, and I paste the table column name, which is the short description. After that, we have this regular price and our selling price. Okay, so I just remove this and I paste this line again and change with my selling price. Okay, and again I remove this for the regular. I print this line, and I echo this line and change the array key name. The key name is my regular price. Okay, now just save this page and again refresh on the browser. So as you can see, I got this a beautiful my description and this their prices and their selling and regular prices. Okay, now my next thing is to change the description and the product thumbnail. So I'm starting with the product thumbnail. So where is my thumbnail? I'm going top of the page and I remove this line. So first of all, I need to okay, let me copy this again. Let's copy this and paste it at here and change the product thumbnail with the product thumbnail. So I just copy this column name and paste it over here. Save and refresh. The image is corrupted because we just say we just print the product thumbnail name, not the path. So I need to define the path also. So what we do, we just so I just need to define the path of this image. So the path of this image is uploads and slash products. So I just write uploads slash products slash, and now I save and check into the browser. See, after that I need to define the description. So I just I already copied this this line, so I just copy this again and I replace with long description demo. Okay, so I just remove and I paste, I mean the title long. So I just define the long description and now check in the browser. Now we have a long description of this product ID. So I'm going back to my home page. Okay, so there is no link to go back to the home page, so I also define of this logo as a home page link. So I'm going back to my header.php. So I just going to include header.php and okay, not this header.php. I just need to open navbot.php. Okay, and yeah, here we have my logo. So I cut this logo and I write an anchor tag and define the path, which is the index.php. And after that I change the line and paste my image path of this is my logo. Okay, I save and refresh, and when I click on this logo, I'm going back to my home page also. Okay, cool. Now when I click on this Samsung M34 5G, as you can see, I got my product thumbnail with, so we have this product related thumbnail and their title, their description, and the product related pricing also, and here we have my long description. So but there is one thing we are missing right now. There is that category name, because I mean which category this, what kind of this category which is related to this product. Okay, so I'm just going back to my code editor, and as you can see in my query, I just need to define a left join in using my MySQL query. So before that I'm going back to my PHP my admin. As you can see, we had this category ID. So using this category ID I treat as like my foreign key. Using this category ID, I'm joining this category table. So I'm just write my left join query. So I left join, and my table name is the category. As you can see, this is the category. Okay, so I just copy this left join category on, and my primary key name is the category ID. So again I defined category dot category underscore ID equals to, which is equals to my products dot category underscore ID. Okay, so I just save this page, and for the now I just uncomment this line for check is this working or not. Okay, so I just refresh this page. So as you can see, we have my product details, and after that we have my category details also. So, and as you can see, we got my category name at here. So, okay, so I'm just comment this line, and I just copy this category name for the now. I just copy this column name, say copy, and I replace with this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I copy this and I paste it over here and change the column name, which is category underscore name. So I just save this page and again I refresh. Now we have my category name also. I got my category name also. So I'm going back to my home page and I click on this Samsung A50 5G. It also belongs to mobile. Okay, it's the same mobile. So I'm going back to my shop and now I'm click on this MSI laptop. So as you can see, I just print this product. I'm in the category name at here. So, okay, so in the next video we'll work on the another parts. So but before that I just want to say one thing. If you really want to download my code, if you're you want my source code, so you just check the description where I mentioned my GitLab link. So you can just click on that link and make a clone of this project and you can put your own code. So meet you soon in the next video and stay with me. Happy coding.